Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Sonos Era 100 SL Compact Wireless Speaker. I've gone through the internet, checked specs, real-world usage, and user discussions to figure out whether this speaker is actually worth buying or if it's just another overpriced smart speaker. And honestly, this is a very good speaker, but it's made for a specific type of user. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right from the start, the biggest thing you need to understand is this. This is basically the Sonos Era 100 without the microphone. So there's no voice assistant, no Alexa, no built-in mic, and that's actually intentional. It's designed for people who care about privacy or just want a pure speaker experience without smart features. Now let's talk about sound, because that's where this thing really shines. You're getting dual-angled tweeters and a midwoofer, which create proper stereo separation and surprisingly deep bass for such a compact speaker. From what I found, this isn't just good for its size. It's genuinely room-filling, balanced, and detailed audio, especially when you place it properly. Another big advantage is connectivity. You get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and line-in support, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Wi-Fi is where it really shines because you can stream higher quality audio without interruptions. But Bluetooth is there for quick and easy connections when needed. And of course, this is part of the Sonos ecosystem. That means you can pair it with other Sonos speakers, create a multi-room setup, or even use two of these as stereo speakers or rear speakers in a home theater system. Now, one of the most underrated features is Trueplay tuning. It automatically adjusts the sound based on your room acoustics, which actually makes a noticeable difference depending on where you place the speaker. Setup is also very simple. Plug it in, open the Sonos app, and you're basically ready to go in a few minutes. Now let's be real about the downsides, because there are a few. First, there's no microphone, which is the whole point, but if you actually want voice control, you'll need the regular Era 100 instead. Second, this is not a portable speaker. It needs to stay plugged in, so it's more of a home speaker, not something you carry around. And third, you're paying a premium price for the Sonos ecosystem. You're not just buying a speaker, you're buying into the whole system, which can get expensive if you expand later. From real user discussions, most people actually like this version specifically because it removes features they don't use. Same hardware, just no mic good if you don't need voice. So it really comes down to preference, not performance. So after going through everything online, here's my honest recommendation. If you want a high-quality compact speaker with excellent sound, strong connectivity, and no unnecessary smart features, then yes, this is absolutely worth buying. But if you want voice assistance, portability, or the best value for money, there are cheaper Bluetooth speakers or even a standard Era 100 that might make more sense. Overall, the Sonos Era 100 SL is a clean, focused product. It removes the extras and focuses on what matters: great sound, solid connectivity, and seamless integration. And for the right user, that makes it a very smart buy.